Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this video we are going to take a look at the numbers. The goal of this video is to learn to count from 1 to 10 in Austrian German. In Standard German, 1 means EINS. In the West, Austrians will say EINS, in the East EINS. 2 means ZWEI, and in the West people will say ZWEI, in the East ZWEI. 3 is DREI, this goes for the West and the East. 4 is 4. 5 means FÜNF. 6 means SECHS. The word for 7 is 7, and many people will say 7. 8 means ACHT, and most of the time you will come across ACHT. 9 is NEUN, and many Austrians will say NEUN. The word for 10 is 10, and is the same in Standard German as well as in Austrian German. Thanks a lot for watching. If you liked the video, please like it. Have a nice day and see you in the next tutorial.